Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to finish Khan Academy fast. To begin, establish specific, measurable goals for your progress, aiming for perhaps 1 or 2 new concepts mastered each day. Concentrate on truly understanding the material, not just getting correct answers. Leverage the platform's built-in tools, like the course challenge, to efficiently bypass content you already know. This strategic approach will significantly accelerate your learning journey and help you achieve your goals more quickly. To optimize your learning, consider watching instructional videos at an accelerated pace, such as 1.5 or 2 times speed, to save valuable time. While watching, jot down brief, effective notes on essential concepts and any new formulas. Immediately apply what you've learned by tackling practice problems. Crucially, always review any incorrect answers to fully grasp where you went wrong, reinforcing your understanding and preventing future errors. This active engagement boosts retention. Khan Academy offers several powerful features to help you progress rapidly. Make sure to complete all unit tests, as these are designed to confirm your mastery of a topic and award significant progress points. Regularly engage with the Mastery Challenge feature. It intelligently reviews past concepts, ensuring long-term retention. Keep a close eye on your Progress tab to visualize your achievements and identify areas needing more attention. For extra help, the community forums are a great resource. Maintaining momentum is key to finishing Khan Academy efficiently. Try to dedicate a consistent time slot each day for your studies, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Break down larger, more complex topics into smaller, more digestible segments to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Celebrate your achievements by rewarding yourself when you reach significant learning milestones, like completing a full unit. Always keep your ultimate learning objective in mind to stay motivated and focused on your path to mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.